If you thought we were done after the first trunk, think again. Welcome back to part 2 of going through my sisters and my childhood Barbie collection. Today we're opening case number 2 and tackling the rest of the mountain. All right, first right off the bat, we've got these itty bitty bitty things. Again, this may fit the midi. I don't have hardly anything for the midi, and I'm not really for sure what this is. Who knows? All right. We have some more little thingies that my mom made. Here's some pink and lace. Now, I mentioned in the other video how I was looking for specifically pink and lace for another project that's coming up pretty soon. This might work out. It needs a little TLC, but I'm going to wash a lot of this stuff on delicate. This used to be a lot redder than this. It's faded. It's like a faux leather, but it's just a little vest. We have another towel. Here's another one of those cutout things. I mentioned that in my other video. I still think they have these, but I know at one time it was pretty popular to buy like a maybe a yard of fabric that had all these different drawings of clothes, and then you cut around them and sew them together. Here's another thing. And my mom used to make a lot of these for our dolls. This looks like a little tennis outfit. Wonder if this is a vintage Barbie. It just says made in Hong Kong. I know there's a lot of different clothes out there that are not Mattel Barbie, that are made for fashion dolls. I guess they would say you can't say you're selling something for Barbie unless you're Mattel, and get away with it. But you can call them fashion dolls. What are they? 11-inch fashion dolls. I think my mom made this. And this is one of those little cutout things. And this. So it even had the pockets that you could sew on. And this. In fact, here you can see where the darts, see how they're lined? Well, these are some cute little outfit here. I wonder if this is a Mattel Barbie outfit. Don't see. There's a tag. There's probably one in there somewhere. You would think they would put it in a prominent place. But that's pretty cute. These pants came from those little cutout things. Now this I know is Barbie. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, I think this might have been my friend's. Yep, Barbie. Mattel. It's like a 1950s dress, huh? Now this, I've probably mentioned this in a couple of my other videos for other dolls. So my mom and dad used to like to go to a local flea market when I was growing up. And there was a couple, an older couple. She would sew doll clothes, and he made wooden toys. In fact, he would make hangers, little wooden hangers, and she would hang the doll clothes on there. This came from her. So I do have some of these that I've tried on, some of the Blythe dolls. They're kind of big. This one for sure would be too big, but I usually will take a belt and put it around like that. They were even a little big for the Barbie dolls. Some little shorts. We have a little cape. A lot of these are those little cutout thingies. All right, this next. Oh, I got one more thing before I show you what's coming up next. So, These are all wedding dresses. These, I wonder how many of them are vintage actual Mattel. This one's not. I thought maybe it was, but it's not. I'm hoping these are going to be able to wash out nicely. Some of them I have a feeling like this one probably if I wash it will just fall apart. But it needs to be washed. I see some staining in the back. I don't know if you can tell that. I am going to do these on delicate though. Somebody made this. It was not store-bought. And then we have a veil. I think this was a dress from that lady. Let's see if I can get my hand in the center there. I mean, what little girl wouldn't want to have a wedding dress for their Barbie doll? And then we have this. And this is really old. My goodness. There wasn't much in this suitcase. And then we have this little coat thingy. Like I said, not much in there, but I am going to now put them all together. I put all the reds and dark colors together and wash that in delicate in a little garment bag. And then the whites I'll probably do separately from the colors. And hopefully everything's going to come out okay and I'll be able to fix whatever needs to be fixed. And we got some clothes. I doubt all of them will really come out as nice as I'm hoping, but I'm hoping the majority of them will. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have a pile of old doll clothes like this. Do you have suitcase like this? This is the other one that I did last time. I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video if you're curious about what we found in here. And I actually have 3 more big suitcases, like about that big, that will go through. And I do believe those have dolls in them. Those will be separate videos. Let me know if you like these videos. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.